So, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, so in this video, what we'll be doing is we'll be discussing about 26 August 2025. Okay, it's almost like last week of the this month. We only have two more trading days, including today. Including today. Let's get into the video. So, what you're seeing is a daily chart of GBP USD and a daily chart of Euro USD. Okay, so into the video. Okay, so we'll start with GBP. Today's low were here. I will mark in lower time frame. Okay, so going to 4 hour. Basically, there is nothing in 4 hour. Okay, so but when do this, you had a 4 hour fair value gap up here. On morning, I think at New York, sorry, Asian section. Price came to that 4 hour fair value gap. This 4 hour. Okay. This 4 hour fair value gap. Then went down. Okay, so similarly, in 1 hour you can see that before the London opens or after midnight offering price, here is the midnight offering price. Okay, 12:30. It's 12 o'clock. Okay. So you have this low here. This is the previous day's low. Okay, this previous day's low. Okay. Similarly, after came into this 4 hour fair value gap, this gap. Okay, so in 1 hour, basically there you have like this is only the point of interest. This is again the previous day's low. It was taken up here. So coming to smaller time frames, I told you this 1 hour, right? What this 1 hour? Okay, so price went to this 1 hour fair value gap yesterday around and Asian section, that is this one. When price went to that 4 hour fair value gap, okay, not the timing, 8 p.m. Asian section, all with respect to New York profit time. Okay, so and it start to go down. We have a low, extreme is a low. Okay, so relative lows up here. Okay, it was not take. Yeah, it was taken. Okay, so going to a smaller time frame, not this 1 hour. We are very careful. Okay, so I don't think in 16 minutes there is something. No, yeah. Also, you have 15 minutes. We are very careful here, but that doesn't count. We have 1 hour, right? Uh, uh, Yeah, you also have a 15-minute farewell gap up here. Went to that 15 minute. Without wasting time, we'll go to 1 minute. Okay, so around this time. Yeah. I forgot to mention one thing. Okay, so when price came to this 1 hour fair value gap, and took out this low, but took out this low and again created a 50-minute fair value gap up here, and this low was there, right? So it was just a liquidity sweep. I don't think this low was taken, okay, because in my MetaTrader chart, wait a second, we'll check the lows, okay. We have a low of 62 there. We have a low of 58, yeah. But no problem, but I will explain like that, okay. Basically, mm, that time you didn't take that low, okay, so, or, yeah, sorry. You didn't take that low, but G was able to take the low, okay, so no problem. Okay, it created an SMT, no problem. But my focus was on this, what is it? 50-minute fair value gap after price came to this 1 hour fair value gap, okay, so I marked the 15-minute. So it created a new low, targeting was a new low, okay, so again going to 1 minute chart. So I thought after going down like this, it might take that, this relative get high okay. So around here. So after coming back to this, it is here, okay. So this was the relative equal highs. After there is a 15 minutes somewhere here, okay. There is 15 minutes, but that this was not taken in. Okay. So which what's the highest time here? 2:36 time. So came all the way to this all box here. Okay, no problem. So I don't want to. No, don't want you to think about that. So here is a 50-minute outbook. That's why I just marked with this line. Okay, so that's a 50-minute only to the downside. Okay, so and not the time 2:39, 2:43, 2:30, 2:43. So this high, you see, this high was not taken yet. Okay, so it creates an SMT with respect to GBP. Okay, now you want to look closely. Okay, so how I took my entry was it basically created a low here. So after taking this short time high, it created a short time low. So high, lower. You have this inverse IFPG. This one right here. After it took out this low, you can make that as a reference point to take the entry, making your stop loss at the midpoint of this. Okay, somewhere like here. Okay. Entry here, stop loss at somewhere like this. Okay. But basically, I already took that trade like that. If you could take the trade around like this, okay. 33, and you can just target for, I mean, 2 hour or this low. Fine. But how actually I actually took was, so when price broke down this, what to say, low, I got confirmed that this area was really worked out. Okay, so there was a small volume balance while going up. Okay, so when it I will show you on the MT5, okay? While it went up without, sorry, while it went up and came down all the way, creating a liquidity sweep to the downside, creating that small more imbalance there. Okay, I'll show you in a minute. Yeah. What I was talking about this mode imbalance. Okay, so in this mode imbalance, which was there, it went up to the again this where fair value gap. What is it? High, lower, low. This order broke. Stop loss somewhere there and came all the way taking out this VIB and going down. Okay, so that's your entry. And here, somewhere here, you can base your stop loss. Okay, almost 33 or 30, 40 pips you can do the stop loss. But I put around like this 32 or 33. And this area was already worked out, right? So that's why and you can target for this. So basically, I am a dumb okay. I used took that trade from there, but due to my emotions, everything, okay, I just dropped that trade. I don't know, guys. I really don't know how it do. Okay, now let's move to and another I took to some dumb trade here. I lost around 4% yesterday of my total capital. Okay, I think you got an understanding of what the trade was. I don't find any trade on that trade up here because, and we know one thing, we are above a midnight opening price while taking the trade. Okay, so midnight open somewhere like this here. We went all the way up, and there was here that void balance. You can take the trade, or you can take the trade directly from this 1 minute fair value gap. There you have that 1 minute fair value gap. In my MetaTrader, there was 1 minute fair value gap, plus there is a this gap. You see, this void balance. You can also take the trade from there by using the stops here. Okay, that's why I think you got an understanding about what I said about London section trade. Uh, So guys, that's all for the London section. Now move on to New York. Okay, so I just want you to have a note of the painting liquidities after this London section was created. Okay, so on London section, what that created was you have London took out this previous Tesla. Okay, so it basically get a huge volume or huge money try to go up to take the buy sides. So the maximum buy sides comes here, and after taking this, to the buy sides comes here. Okay, one great eagle highs are there, but I am not concerned about any of that. Okay, while going like this, it created a one more value gap up here, and this was the buy side that I was focusing on. So after it took out this buy side, okay, my target was before that my bias was fully bearish. Okay, I didn't want to take any bearish, sorry, bullish. I my bias was bearish. Okay, no problem. So after taking this high and came to this fair value gap, my concern for the day was to take out this low for the market to come down to this 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, so oh, okay, 1 minute chart again. And before that, 7 o'clock starts somewhere here. And that's 7 o'clock. So this is the lowest low after 7 o'clock. And this is the highest high after 7 o'clock. Okay, so what I was doing is I was waiting. After it took out the buy side that I have marked down that and then Asian high. That is this is an Asian high. Okay, so this is a buy side also. So then the buy side was taken and it went to the 1 hour after very start to react from there. Okay, so you have a low, stocks shift to the downside, fine, no problem. Created a short time low, short time high there, a short time low there. Took out this high and high, higher high, lower low. Okay, so created a stocks shift to the downside up here. So what is this? This full things becomes your that's your hobby. Oh, we can enter there. If you don't think that price will come up there, you can just enter on this fair value gap up here. That's gonna be your entry. That's gonna be your stop loss. And this fair value gap is gonna be your target around 7 hour usually. Okay. This is all before right there because there was no major big news. And we are already above this midnight opening price. That's the reason I took from the straight from here. And that from there, like it was because you see this value gap got reversed, and after don't take anything about this one, okay? This is the main thing. So I just waited for the reaction from here. Okay, so it came up here, created a down cost candle, perfect down cost candle. So I took the entry on the next candle because I need some extra confirmation. So I just waited. So this is not, you can't take it straight from there. Okay, I just break, but due to this fucking spread, I could stop here. Okay, again now. Stop loss was here, somewhere here. Target was here. Okay, so yeah, after coming here, I just exited my odd position. Okay, because after coming to this point, it didn't even execute my entry, so I just closed it manually. So I think that's all for the video, guys. I got, I think you guys got an understanding about what I heard about the New York trade. Okay, it was also a good trade, but I basically my that MT5 account, I just lost this one mark because of my fucking emotions. So I don't know. I really don't know why it is playing with me like this. Okay, I think understand the scenario here. You need a screenshot or something. Take it from here. Due to my emotions, you guys, I took an entry from here. An entry that was a loss. Sorry, I just exited there. I took an entry here. Got to move like down. I don't know how to. You don't know. You can understand though how it feels like. How much time I'm spending for this, but no, still rewarding. But fine, it's fine. Okay, I think that's all for the video, guys. Hope you have a good week this week. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye.